Welcome to the MemberSuite video series. MemberSuite is the just right answer to the needs of member-based organizations looking for a balance of cost and functionality. Today, we're going to go through the basics of MemberSuite. MemberSuite is broken up into two distinct parts, a console and a portal. The console is where we'll be spending all of our time today. It's the back-end part of the system that your staff actually uses. The portal is the front-end part of the system that your members see and use. You can actually customize the portal to meet your needs, but that's a whole other tutorial. When you first log into MemberSuite, you are presented with a dashboard. The default dashboard is comprised of several information displays called widgets. You can easily drag widgets around and rearrange your dashboard. You can also add new widgets, selecting from our ever-growing widget library, and customize the data that they show. You can also reset your dashboard back to the default setup by clicking the Reset Dashboard button at the top of the screen. The first thing you'll notice on the dashboard, besides our warm welcome, is what we call Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. Every night, we take a snapshot of your key metrics so that we can give you information about that data and compare that information with other time periods. You can actually configure these comparisons so that you can get a high-level view of the health of your organization at any time. Number of members, number of drops, renewals, registration attendance, or revenue. All of these can be set up and displayed to you every time you log in. Next, you'll notice that a set of search results has been added to the dashboard. We'll cover searches in a later tutorial, but for now, suffice it to say that you can save searches and actually automatically display the latest results on your dashboard. Lastly, you'll see a calendar and upcoming tasks that are displayed by default in your dashboard. At a glance, you can see your upcoming tasks and see how they are spread out throughout the month. MemberSuite is comprised of over a dozen modules of functionality that can help you run your organization. You can see these modules at the top of the screen on what we call a navigation bar. Modules that can't fit onto the navigation bar can be accessed via the More link. If you've got a very big screen, you can actually change the number of modules shown on the navigation bar by updating your preferences. In addition to clicking on the module to navigate to it, you can actually hover your mouse over that module to access common features and functionality, as shown here. There are many different ways to look up data in MemberSuite, but the easiest way by far is our quick search, which is available at the top right hand of your screen. Simply select the type of record you are looking for and start typing, and MemberSuite will immediately show you relevant results. You can click on the result that you want to view to be taken to that record. The screen you're seeing here is called a 360 screen. We call it that because it gives you a 360-degree view of the record you're looking at. Every time you look at a record in MemberSuite, you're looking at a screen like this. On the top of the screen, you get information about the record. In this example, first name, last name, address information, etc. This information is grouped by tabs at the top of the screen, allowing you to see multiple sets of information at ease. To the right of this data are tasks that you can complete. As you can see, these tasks change depending on what tab you're viewing. At the bottom of the screen are what we call one-clicks. These are records that are tied to the main record you're viewing. You can see each of these records with one click. In this case, you can see audit logs, memberships, transactions, etc., and you can view these records by clicking on the link of the record you want to see. Now, you should know that many of these sections may contain more data than is available to show, so they scroll. So you should always look for a scroll bar when viewing the 360 screen. We've included two features to make your day-to-day life a little easier: recent items and favorites. Recent items are always displayed at the top right hand of the screen, and they show the last 10 records you've looked at. These are updated automatically every time you pull up a record. Features are like bookmarks. They allow you to take any screen in MemberSuite and save a link to it that you can access later. To add a favorite, hover over the star and click Add this page to my favorites. Once you do, You can see that this page is available to you wherever you are in MemberSuite. To edit or remove favorites, click Manage My Favorites. In order to accomplish tasks in MemberSuite, you will typically navigate to the module related to the task you want to accomplish. We call the main screen for each module the module homepage. On the left-hand side of a module homepage, you can see links to sections broken up for your convenience. You can click on a section to scroll directly to it, and you can click Back to Top to go back to the top of the screen. On the bottom part of the left side of the screen are also useful tips that can help you use whatever feature you're on. This concludes the MemberSuite 101 tutorial. In this training video, we learned about the difference between the console and the portal. We learned about the home dashboard, how to navigate modules within MemberSuite, the 360 screen, and module homepages. We hope you'll view additional videos to dive deeper into the wealth of functionality that MemberSuite offers.